Hi. Hi, how are you guys? So I don't really have a plan for dinner. I'm really hungry and I need to grocery shop a little bit. I don't really have too many things going on. Also, side note, streaming off my phone. So this is new. This is the first real stream I've done off my phone. So let's see how it works out. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm thinking pasta, because I have these. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make pasta. But I'm gonna make the sauce from scratch. Got these bad boys. Little bow tie spaghetti. I love this brand, it's so good. Okay, move that out of the way. Let's get started. I want some onion in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Favela, like a little, a hood? I know what favela means. I know Diplo. What are you talking about? Jeff is not friend-zoned. I'm friend-zoned. Aw, this onion went bad. All right, I have half an onion. Need some garlic too if I'm making pasta sauce, right? What else can I throw in this pasta? Oh, I don't even think I have ground beef. This is such an unplanned dinner. What do I have though? Ooh. Italian sausage. It's lit. No, get back there. How was everyone's weekend? I'm surprised I'm even cooking dinner tonight. It has been such a busy week for me. Oh, look at the Jeff emote. Oh, that's Kappa. Jeff would be so mad at me. Let's get some garlic. My weekend was great, Vamps. I didn't do much, which is always my favorite kind of weekend. Actually, what was this weekend? The fuck did I do this weekend? I did something Saturday. All my days are blending together now. A lot of garlic. I'm a garlic girl. I don't have anyone to kiss, so I'm not gonna be shy with it. Hi, princess. They're so cute until they start sounding like that. And then I remember that they are little shits. What else? Oh, I have some basil I could throw in the sauce. Yeah, no, I'm not Sanctos. I'm not following any recipe whatsoever. I'm making what's called fridge shit for dinner, which means I'm throwing together anything and everything I can find in the fridge. This is a meal you make when you haven't grocery shopped in a while and you're too lazy to go out and get something to eat and too indecisive to order in. Also, I wanted to stream and hang out with y'all. Jeff's not even here. This isn't even a setup. I'm streaming off my phone. I'm not going to Brazil. Stop asking when I'm going to Brazil. I'm not going to Brazil, ever. Hey, what are you doing? Don't sniff in there. All right. I am so excited to use this bad boy. Please read before use, so I think I'm going to read it. Clean my stove first. Oh, I hate working on dirt space. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, that was Discord. If you want to join the Discord, there is a command for that. All right, let me show you what I'm doing. How do I turn the camera? So, I have added a generous amount of olive oil to the bottom of this dish. And then I'm gonna sweat the garlic and the onions. I'm excited, I'm very hungry. Which is kind of making me impatient. I don't want to cook this. I just want it to be ready. Sorry, y'all. This is a new phone. I don't know where things are yet. God damn it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't fact check. Did you know Jameis Winston ran the fastest 40 in all of combine history? Facts like that happen when you don't fact check. Clip that. That's why no one should ever fact check. This is from the Michael Rappaport podcast store, by the way, if anyone wants to go snag themselves one. Not a promo, just appreciation, because I love him. He's hilarious. Ah! Oh man, I just got sausage juice all over me. Don't clip that. Please don't clip that. Come on. This is why people are never healthy. The healthy shit is always harder to eat. Why are you so hard to get out? I've never had this much trouble taming a sausage. You can clip that. Huh, how should I cut them? There is a dog barking right outside of my door. And if it makes my dog start barking, I'm gonna fucking shoot it. I'm not actually gonna shoot it. Don't report me to Twitch. Just dicing up some sausage while I wait for my olive oil to heat up. Oh, I am so hungry. I should not have streamed dinner. Should have just ordered a fucking pizza. Why am I like this? Are there Brazilians in here again? Jesus Christ, you guys are relentless. I don't know what your obsession with me is. It's like Beatlemania in my fucking chat every time the Brazilians show up. Shout out to Brazil. All right, this is a very haphazard meal, so I'm just gonna throw all of this shit in the pot at the same time. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, can you see me? You wanna come with me? Yeah, you can see me here. All right, garlic, onions, Italian sauce. Oh, there go the onions. Okay. This is why I can't have nice things. Okay, all of it's going in the pot. At the same time. Because fuck rules. Toulouse. I'll give you up for adoption. Stop it. Yay! One step closer to curing my hunger. Not quite the world hunger, but my hunger. That's the important one right now. Oh shit! Look at all this basil. I'm gonna have a good sauce. Oh, I also have, oh man, I should have threw mushrooms in there. What does everyone's feel about mushrooms? I feel like no one doesn't mind mushrooms. It's either you hate them or you love them. There's no in between with mushrooms. So I never know how to cut them. They're so awkward. my God, this is so pretty. You have to see it. Where is the camera? Oh, there it is. Oh shit, I almost dropped my phone in the fucking pot. Holy fuck. Look how good this looks. Don't drop us. No, I got you guys. Don't worry. I got you. I'll keep you safe, I promise. Cook for me, mommy? You've got some serious issues. How the fuck do I work this? God damn it! Okay. That smells so fucking good. Heat a pot of water now. This should be big enough. Yeah. I'm going to taste the sausage. Could be spicier. It's good though. Okay. I need my spices now. I'm so short, I have a step stool in every fucking room. Oh shit! Alright, let's see. What do I need? I need a bay leaf for sure. Oh my god, do I have... Oh, yes, thank you. Bay leaf. Basil, I have fresh basil. Oregano. Crushed red pepper for sure. Yes, please. These are sweating beautifully. Where's my crushed red pepper? I found it. Oh, crushed red pepper. I need time. How much time? I have like 4 bottles of basil. I just need one with time. count time. Okay. Alright, let's back on the heat. So I can watch. Oh my god, those are so good. They look amazing. I feel like I'm talking to myself since I can't really read the chat. It's kind of weird. Okay, this sauce isn't completely from scratch. Instead of using tomatoes, I'm using canned crushed tomatoes and tomato sauce. Let's open this one. Hi, Brazil. All right, we got one. Let's put this one in there. Two. I might need three, actually. This is a lot of mixings in there. Nope, we're good. All right, I'm gonna add the spices now. I'm gonna add red pepper because this is not spicy at all and I like a little kick in my sauce. I thought the sausage would do the trick, but nope! Sausage has disappointed me once again. I can't open this. I got it. We're good. I got it. Just like a handful. Oh, this camera's really good. Can you believe this is a fucking phone? I'm putting in 2 bay leaves. I'm going to throw that thyme in there now. And the oregano was unopened, so I'm going to find one of the 18 opened ones I have. Yep. Oh, I put so much in there by accident. Oh well. All right, let's mix this up. Oh God, I'm dropping everything. Oh God. Some pepper, some salt. Give it a good stir. Oh fuck, I put way too much oregano in there. Oh yeah. That's okay. That's okay. We're good. It's gonna be fine. I hope. I'm the one who has to eat it, not you guys, so you don't give a shit. I'm gonna keep this close by though. I feel like I'm gonna want more spice. The water is boiling. Very excited to eat this. Did I mention I was hungry? I might have mentioned that once or twice. Brazil! I have this bottle of wine left over from like 3 nights ago. It takes me forever to drink a bottle of wine. I'm such a lightweight. I never drink more than a glass at a time. But this would be really good with pasta if it hasn't gone bad yet. Smells okay. Oh, that's really good now. Oh my god, it tastes better after being out. Yo, I know Brazil loves me. I'm fucking amazing. You don't have to tell me or spam the chat. My water's boiling! Time to add the pasta. Well, first it's salt. There's a shit ton of salt in there. I want my pasta flavored before the pasta sauce even hits it. This isn't even enough. I need more salt. Well, it's gonna have to be enough. I can't find my other salts. My pasta. Cute little bow tie. This is my favorite. So, common misconceptions about pasta. People say that you should put olive oil in there so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. But if you put olive oil in there, sauce doesn't stick to the pasta anymore either. So that really only works if you're making something like a lasagna, where you're like actually handling the pasta and you don't want it to stick together. But it's better to leave olive oil out of your pastas, so that your sauce can stick to it and absorb it. And they can absorb it. You came for the boobs, but you stayed for the pasta facts. I know. I'm a woman. Every woman has a degree in kitchen. That's right. Pasta facts. Alright, let's check on this pasta sauce. You guys want to see how it's going? Take you off my charger. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. You ready? Oh, fuck. That looks amazing. It smells really good too. My little bay leaf. Okay. I'm gonna taste this, put the lid back on it, and we might be good to go. I'll move you guys over here though.